question is, are you going to take action if you're feeling depressed or you're feeling determined? Determined. Are you going to take action if you feel courage or if you feel fear?
Courage.
Yes, exactly. You might take action if you're afraid, but what's your performance going to be like? If I sit with the customer and I'm like, hi, I want to show you our product. I think it's good for you. Is he going to buy?
No.
He's not going to buy.
He's gonna sell you something.
He's probably going to sell you an idea, which is to leave.
Yeah.
Okay? So, whether you take action or not is based on how you feel. And also, your performance is also based on how you feel. Because if I come here today and I'm afraid and I'm anxious, you're going to get anxious as well. Doesn't this happen? Someone tries to give you a presentation and because they're so nervous, you feel nervous at the same time. Emotions are contagious. And they determine if you take action and what your level of performance is going to be like. So the question now you're probably asking is, Sam, how do I manage my state? How do I manage my emotions, correct? When I've got stuff happening around me, I've got economic factors changing, I got stress, I got my manager on top of my head telling me do this and do that, and I got pressure of achieving targets, correct? So what's going to happen is you're going to all stand up now. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Okay, oh my God, you guys ate a lot. Okay, you're going to do a little bit of stretching. All right? That's the first way to change your state. Okay? This is how you change your state. You change it in 3 ways. Physiology, focus, and internal dialogue. What you did right now is you changed your physiology. And that's why you feel better, don't you?
Yeah.
Right? Don't you feel like energy right now? Okay, so how do you know if someone's depressed? What's the look like? Body language.
The aura is down.
Yes?
Wrong.
Okay, you tell me. Shoulders up or down?
Down.
Are they looking up or down?
No.
Come on, guys.
Down.
Down. Are they breathing full or shallow? Shallow breathing. We all come from different countries, different backgrounds. We all know. Person's depressed, shoulders are down, looking down, breathing is shallow. So when I feel a certain way, my body language has to change. The reverse is also true. I change my body language, I change the way I feel. Now, show me how you sit if you're very motivated to learn. How do you sit? Show me.
Leaning forward.
Show me. Yes. Some of you already have it. I can tell from your body language who's happy to be here, who's dying to leave, who feels like they want to kill themselves. I can tell. Who ate a lot, who didn't eat a lot. Okay? Show me how you sit if you're very unimpressed with the speaker. How do you sit? Yeah, exactly. So you have to change your body language to feel a different way. Okay? Let's try a different experiment. Let's stand up. Yalla. Stand up. Okay. Shake your body out. Shake your body out. Okay, good. Now, imagine your feet are glued to the floor. Imagine your feet are glued to the floor.
Okay.
Tense your quads. Tense your six packs. Tense them up. Guys, six packs. Okay. Shoulders are back.
Okay.
Look up. Put a massive smile on your face. Look up, don't look at me. Put a massive smile on your face. Smile over here. Show me some teeth. Teeth. Okay? Stay inside of your mind. Yes, 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 yes. And try to get depressed while you're like this. Can you get depressed? No. Why? Physiology.
The body is not complementing the emotion that
The body is not allowing you to.
Yeah.
Alright, sit down. Now, if you know that if I change my physiology, I change the way I feel, do you have an excuse to feel bad?
Yes.
Yes. Or are you addicted to feeling bad? Because your emotions are like muscles. You might have depressing muscles that are overdeveloped. Because if you keep going a certain emotion, using it for a long time, it becomes your home. It becomes where you live. Don't you realize that angry people are angry most of the time? No matter how great it is in front of them, they always find a way to be angry. And there are people out there, no matter how bad it is around them, they always find a way to be happy. Right? Because your emotions are like muscles. If you don't use it, you lose it. So, if you're not practicing courage, happiness, excitement, enthusiasm, you're not going to feel them. You have to condition them to happen in your nervous system using your body language.